these 5 companies that I'm going to share with you guys today are hiring transcribers from all over the world. So anywhere you are, submit your application, you can be hired. Okay, so if you're looking for extra income, something you can do while staying at home, this is a great opportunity for you. If you're not an expert, there's still a beginner friendly jobs you can do until you perfect your skills. So I'm going to share with you these 5 websites, and I'm going to leave the link to their website in the description box. If you feel like this is something you can do, feel free to click on the link and sign up. I'm going to share my screen and show you these companies. All right, so you're going to work as a transcriptionist, a transcriber, and you get to work according to how much you can. Like, you're going to work as a freelancer, you have the opportunity to work at your own pace, at your own time. All right, you're not going to be forced to do anything to work more than you can give in. All right, so the first one is TranscribeMe. So this one, they pay between $15 to $20 per audio hour, and then audio hour means the amount of time it takes you to complete an audio. So even if it takes you 1 minute to complete an audio, it is counted as an audio hour, which means you're going to get paid between $15 to $22 per audio hour. This is for beginners. So for special teams, those that are experts in transcribing things, you are going to be paid between $60 to $70 per audio hour. Okay, and this is a freelance work. It means you're going to work at your own pace. Like I said before, it allows you to earn money from anywhere you'd like, while paying you competitively and providing career growth opportunities. So there's freedom and flexibility. You work from the comfort of your home, on the road, on anywhere. So whenever you want and how you want. So you get to transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews. When one clip is complete, the assistant sends another to transcribe. So there's no limit to how many you can process consecutively. So I'm going to leave the link to this website so that you go there and sign up. Right? So let's go to the second one. The second one is Amberscript. So they are looking for transcribers, subtitlers, or translators. So if you're good in transcribing, if you can do subtitling or translating or translation, this one is a great opportunity for you. So you will also be able to enjoy flexibility and work when you want and wherever you want. Okay, this is the opportunity for you to travel around the world to do the things you love, especially new moms who don't want to leave their babies at home and return to work. This is a great opportunity for you to work and earn money whilst looking after your baby yourself. Okay, so you can work from anywhere. You can schedule your own time, and the payout is every month. So you receive monthly payout for all work completed. So they pay either PayPal or to your bank account. So when you're signing up for this one, Amberscript, you choose whether you want to be a transcriber, a captioner, or a translator. So based on your choice, complete the Amberscript online onboarding test. If you pass, you will be contacted as soon as possible. And as soon as positions open, because this is it has a very high demand, and a lot of people are looking for this opportunity. So many people want to take up this opportunity, so they have so many applications to look at. So you can only follow these courses if you are fluent in English, and if not, please go to the website in your native language and sign up there to become a transcriber, because they also accept people from other languages. So it's not just only English. Check out your language and see if your language is there. If you're not fluent in English is not your first language, make sure to check out for your language. Okay, so to become a transcriber, all you need is listen to the audio, revise the automatically generated text to make it perfect, label speakers. So the payment rate for this particular one is between 45 euros to 1.20 euros per audio video. So like I said before, the per audio video minute for this one. So I said earlier that audio hour means even if it takes you 1 minute to complete an audio, it is counted as an hour. So the first one pays between $15 to $22 per audio hour, and this one pays between 0.45 euros and per audio video minute. So you can calculate this times 60, which is 1 hour. You see how much it gives you. So it really pays well. Okay, So to become a captioner for this particular one, your task as a captioner is to watch videos, revise the automatically generated text to make it perfect, format and synchronize text with audio. Indicative payment rate is 0.90 euros per audio video. So once you come to this page, you choose the one you want. If it is to become a translator, a captioner, or a transcriber, then you start the onboarding test. Just click on this place and start your onboarding test. Okay, so you have flexibility, a good team to work with. They respond very fast to your questions, and they communicate with transcribers swiftly. The software to work on is clear and effective and makes it easy to transcribe. So what do you need to become a transcriber? You need a laptop, a mobile phone, and a very strong internet connection. These are all you need to become a transcriber. Okay. And like I said, the benefit is huge because you get to work from the comfort of your home. There's no point waking up so early to go to work, and you're able to quit your 9 to 5 job and have a blast. Okay. So the third one we're going to look at is GoTranscript. So they have transcription jobs available worldwide. So if you want to become a part of them, just click on the link in my description and come here and sign up. So they pay competitive rates. And remember, this is completely online, remote. You work from anywhere in the world. All right. So they pay up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. And they pay between $1,215 per month, according to how many audio you're able to complete. All right. Remember, you're working for yourself. You're working as a freelancer. You get to choose your own time. You get to choose the ones that you want to complete. So you're not going to be forced or mandated to complete a particular audio message. No. Their payment is reliable. They pay weekly payouts via your PayPal for all work completed. So you don't have to wait for your payment. You get to be paid by the end of the week. So and you also get to work flexibly, and you receive great support. Choose your own project, like I mentioned, and grow your skills. So they have different languages. If you are fluent in these languages, good for you. You have a lot of opportunities to make more money. Okay. So for now, they are currently hiring for transcriber position only. So go now and apply. If you want this position, transcriber, go and apply and become a transcriptionist. So the fourth one we are going to look at is called Ditto. So it's very easy. Just go and sign up. When you come here on their sign up page, you'll be able to sign up. So they said here they are always looking for skilled, committed, experienced, and professional transcriptionists to jump on board to their growing team. So if you're good at what you do, even if you want to learn how to transcribe, I think you should give this a trial. So they also have an initiation test. You will be required to pass the test with at least 95% over a few tests: grammar, spelling, a single person narrative audio file, and a multiple person interview if it's necessary for the freelancer transcription work you're applying for. Unlike transcription job pay rates, they have a few different compensation options for their transcriptionists. Okay, so they pay between 80 cents to $1.10 per minute. Remember, an audio minute, doesn't matter. It's just a minute, right? So this one pays per minute, while the other ones I've mentioned pays per hour. So this one, 80 cents to $1.10 per minute. So calculate that for an hour. Imagine working for an hour, making $1 for, that's $1 times 60 should give you how much? Then calculate it. So that means this is what you're going to make per hour. So they have resources here to help you. Okay, there's something that came up. They are not currently hiring on board any non-United States based personnel at this time, but they are able to hire anyone who resides in California, New Jersey, or Massachusetts at this time. So check it out if you live in the US. I think you should check this out. Okay. And the last one is going to be Accuro. Yeah, this particular one, they are looking for transcriptionists, and the equipment they need Windows 10 or newer machine with over 4 gig RAM and a dual core processor. Apple, Macintosh machines are not supported. Microsoft 365 latest version of Office. Older versions of Microsoft Office will not work. Transcription foot pedal or know how to use hotkeys. Broadband fiber internet, that's the internet connection. A good quality set of headphones. They also recommend a transcription foot pedal. So how many hours do you get to work for this? Accuro, you work is like it's a freelance work and you're contracted. Okay, you determine how often and when you want to work. Your commitment to them is that when you request work, it is completed by the pre-agreed time, usually by 9 a.m. the following working day. So let's say you accept a job. You must make sure to complete it and submit before 9 a.m. tomorrow. But apart from that, you have the opportunity to work at your own time. You also have the opportunity to reject any job that comes up. So you can also be a transcriber if you already have a 9-to-5 job. But I assure you that once you start making money from this, you're going to quit your 9-to-5 and focus completely on this transcriber. On being a transcriber. So you'll be contracted on a freelance basis, which means you get to work at your own time. You get to determine when and where you want to work and how many days in a week you want to work, even the hours that you want to put in per day. So when you start with Accuro, you will be at a set rate. Once you have completed a substantial amount of work and built up a client base, you can request to change your rate, and Accuro's team will advise what is best to maximize the work you will receive. Okay, so each month they create an invoice for you, which is paid by BACS, that's by banks transfer directly into your bank account. You will be self-employed and will need to register as such. Okay. So the benefit of working with these people or being a transcriptionist is flexibility, tailored customer base, variety, support. And so if you're ready to become a transcriptionist, go straight and apply. I'm going to leave the link to the website in the description box below. There's medical transcription jobs, perfect if you're interested in medical So if you're interested in medical transcription jobs, this is opportunity. Multi-voice transcription jobs and other transcription jobs, these are available ones right now. Yeah, available ones: medical transcription jobs, multi-voice transcription jobs, other transcription jobs. So if you're interested, go ahead and apply. Give it a try. There's no harm in doing so. Put in your applications, take the tests that you need to take, and make sure you pass it with about 95%, so that you get this job. For those of you who are planning to quit their 9-to-5 job, this is a great opportunity. If you're a new mom trying to return back to work, I know how hard it is to leave your newborn at home and go back to work. This is a good way, a great opportunity for you to work, make money, and also look after your children. So I'll leave the link in the description box. Before I end this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And also don't forget to share, and most importantly, like the video so that others can see it, so that YouTube can recommend this video to the right audience. Okay, so share this video to your friends and family that are in need of a job right now, and I'll see you in the next video.